everybody, this is Charlie, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be going through how to customize your own funnels. So I will give you the funnels which have already been made for you, so you just need to customize them with your own pictures and your own links. So obviously when people click them they will get coded to you. So these are the funnels that I've already built for you, and you have access to these. What I will do is send you an OMB link, which is here, and you just need to copy and paste that into your browser to access the editor. Okay, so these are just for our team, and it's just a bonus for joining, and you we'll share these. You can share these with your team, but for paid members only, please. Okay, so again, it's another incentive for people to join because we've already done some of these funnels for them. So, okay, then without further ado, I'm going to just go really quickly through how you can customize them. It's super easy, so don't worry. So once you're in the editor, what you'd need to do is go to save. And then you need to choose a name for your site, which you will recognize in your back office. Okay, so once that's been saved, obviously I've got my logo here, so you can change that to one of your own. Just right click the picture and go to change image. It'll basically ask you to upload your pictures here, so you can go to upload, and then that'll take you through to your files on your desktop. So if you don't want anything there, if you haven't got a logo, you just need to click it, make sure it's highlighted in the green box, and then you can just press the delete button on your keyboard. So next is to change your name, which you just double click. If this box comes up here, you can just click the blue bits and drag it down. So again, you can see your cursors here, so you just need to go and you can just change your name here. Okay, so that's come up in grey now, so you just highlight it, and you've got all your normal editor here. So there's going to be a color editor there. So just choose which color you want and press OK. If you wanted to change the background, you would go here, click on page, and then it's here. Okay, so you can change your background color as well if you don't want it to be white. So again, you can leave everything as it is. You can just double, if you want to change the writing, you can just double click. Okay, and then it'll take you into that box where you can edit it. Again, you can put your own welcome video here if you like. You just need to upload your video to YouTube and then right click it and press configure. And then you would copy a video link in here by pressing Control and V. There's no paste option in the editor, so you just press your Control button and then V for Victor. Right, so yeah, again, you can just leave everything as it is, but this is just a funnel where I'm going to explain. I've got videos here. What is Builderall? How they get paid? The $1 Million Passive Income Challenge. How to use the back office. How to generate free traffic, and I've also put in there the free copywriting app. But you can also put in. Again, you can put your own videos in there, or you can find other videos on YouTube. You don't have to put the copywriting app in, but again, you just leave it as it is. So here I have done my own video for the $1 Million Passive Income Challenge. Again, if you wanted to do your own, I use a platform called Zoom, which will record your screen. It's a free app, so you can just download that to your computer to record your own videos. There are several out there, but that's the one I use. So again, if you wanted to change your video, just right click it and press configure and put your YouTube in there, your YouTube link in there. So here is where you need to change your link, because this has got my link on here. So obviously you don't want any commissions going to me. So you would just right click it. You can change the text and you need to change the action. Okay. If you get this page, which I'm sure you won't, but if you get this page, you just need to go to web address. Okay, and then you need to get your affiliate link, which is in the back office. So if you go to Builderall Business, Money Making Funnels, and here you will find all your links. So the $1 Million Challenge is right at the bottom here. Okay, so you just need to copy the link for the home page there. Okay, so let me go back. So again, just press Control and V, and you would put your link in there that's coded to you. So again, you can change these pictures here just by right-clicking, change image. Okay, as I've already explained, just upload your image. Builderall are really good as well. They also compress the image for you so it's the right size. And then if you wanted to, if you've got your own Facebook page, you can, again, right-click and go on the action where you want to send people. Okay, so it's really, really straightforward. So next is here, your 7-day free trial. You need to change that to your affiliate link. Right click, action, and then you need to find your link in the back office under the funnels. And again, the other button here, right click, action. Now I've put this as a checkout page because they want instant access, so your checkout pages are also in the back office. Make sure it's the $49 for the affiliate plan, or if you want it in euros, it's going to be the $44.90. So make sure you're getting the right one, guys. So let me just pause, my phone's ringing. Okay, so yeah, we've gone through everything here. What you need to do then is to obviously save everything, and you will go just to double check it on the mobile version as well. Obviously, mobile is so important. 80% of people are viewing websites on their mobile phones, so just make sure everything is in line and everything is fine. Okay, so again, if you haven't really changed anything, you just change links, then it should be okay. All right then, these are just rulers as well, so don't worry about these lines. What's going on? So yeah, So yeah, these are just rulers, guys, so don't worry about the, you know, obviously you can just make sure everything's in the middle there. Okay, so that's the mobile tested. So what you would then do is, if you go into your back office again, this is where you're going to find it. So if you go to Builders, drag and drop Pixel Perfect and My Sites. Okay, so whatever you've called it will be there in your back office, so you can go in and edit it again if you like. You can duplicate it. You can also transfer it to other members of your team, but please duplicate it first, because once it's been transferred, it's gone. So don't make that mistake, and always send them a copy and not the original. So next we want to connect your domain. Now, if you've connected a domain with Builderall, like I've done with cashbaby.uk, can you see here, affiliate business opportunity.cashbaby.uk? Builderall will let you have subdomains, so all you need to do is to connect a domain to this particular funnel is to just type in a prefix for your domain that you've connected on Builderall. I hope that makes sense. So cashbaby.uk is my main domain, and then you can name your funnels with a subdomain. Okay, and once that's connected, you then activate the SSL, which is the secure certificate for your website, which again Builderall have will give you that for free. Okay, so once you have your domain connected, if I just click the blue writing there, that'll take you through to your website. Obviously you can go over and check it, check your links, check the videos. So if you send this to people, they won't have a tracking cookie installed. So copy this, go to Builderall Business Money Making Funnels. You don't have to do this, but I just advise you to do it, because obviously if somebody then clicks on your funnel and then they want to sign up again in the future, they've still got your cookie installed. So you go to redirect link, and copy and paste that in there, and then it'll give you a shorter URL. But like I say, it's all being tracked here. This is like a tracking code. Okay, so that's quite important. So yeah, I think that's everything, guys. If you need any help with anything, then please get in touch. Obviously, you should be able to contact me through Facebook or Messenger, or through the back office. Okay, I hope this helps, and good luck with everything. Speak to you soon.